Honey, come look to see what Ezra found.
Mantis.
No. Come here, Ezra. Over here in the light. Show him. Show him in the light.
Mantis.
Come here, honey. Look what he found.
What is that? It's a cover.
No, it's a cricket.
Oh yeah, cricket. Is it dead?
It's a cricket.
That's what was in the truck?
Watch.
I see.
See it?
I heard these taste good.
You did not. You just ate it.
Show her. Did you eat it?
He just ate a real cricket.
He just ate a real cricket.
Was that alive or was it dead?
Show him.
Salt and vinegar.
That made way more sense. Too bad it doesn't have like pink.
Can Gabriel have one?
You want a bug?
You want to eat one? Yeah, you can eat one.
Want to eat a bug like Bubba?
Want to eat a cricket?
No, they actually taste pretty good.
I'm gonna see what they look like up close.
Here.
Wow.
Heart and
Are those real? Those aren't real.
Yep,
They are 100% real.
No way.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's actually like a good little snack.
Heart
for
and
you.
everything.
I thought it was fake.
See?
Ew.
Real. Eyeballs and all.
Ew, has it ate eyeballs?
Yes, he did.
I ate a heart too.
What do you think, Gabriel? You want to try one?
Want to eat it?
Want to eat a bug?
Eyeballs.
You want to eat a bug?
You're eating its heart too.
Do you know that he's gonna be picking up bugs now?
No, he's not. Here, give me your gum. You can eat the bug. This is the only time you can eat a bug.
Yeah, never. Oh, I found a bug.
Give it to him.
Pick it up and eat it.
Okay,
Don't do that.
give it to him. Let him eat it.
Just eat that one. Eat
Go
it.
ahead, buddy.
Like Bubba. Eat it. Want to be cool like Bubba?
Go ahead, eat that. Yummy. Taste it, Gabriel. It tastes good.
Is it alive?
No, it's not alive.
It's dead.
It's not alive.
Just touch it. Like, see with
Go
your
ahead.
tongue. You can just touch it with
Enzo.
Gabriel, go like this.
No, just let him eat it. You can just eat it, buddy. Pick it up and eat it. It's fine.
No.
You don't want
What,
to?
Gabriel?
Bubba ate it.
Okay, if you're gonna eat it, you need to let Daddy videotape you eating it.
You want to eat one, Nadia?
Oh
Go
my
ahead.
gosh, this is going to be so
Grab
good.
one.
Just kidding.
Grab one.
Ew. We have other
Grab one,
flavors,
Gabriel.
too.
Go ahead. Go ahead,
We
grab
do?
one. Eat one.
Where's the other flavors? Where's the other flavors?
I don't know. We got this flavor out right now. You guys just focus on this. We don't need to open a bunch.
No. I want to see the other flavor. I don't want to see this. I want to have the sweet flavor. Oh,
There's no sweet flavor. But this one's salt and vinegar. Go ahead, eat it.
Shoes off. This is gonna make your feet really stinky.
Go ahead, eat one. Don't take them all out. Put them on the counter. Now.
Wings, breast.
Got all the legs on the counter too now. Look at all the... Go ahead, eat one.
Yeah. Why would I want to?
Try it.
Good.
They actually taste pretty good.
Yeah. You ate one?
Yeah, I tried it. If I'm gonna let my kid try it, I'm gonna eat it first. Go ahead. Oh, Ezra, don't drop them on the floor.
It's gonna be so gross.
Go ahead, Nadia. It's not gross. It actually tastes good.
Probably gonna be like a potato chip. Does it taste like a salt and vinegar potato?
It kind of tastes. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds. I love those. No, try one.
Give it a try.
No.
Go ahead, Nadia.
Right.
No.
Try it out,
Right.
Nadia.
Why?
Nadia,
I'm not so excited. But it's
do it.
Okay, Nadia. Nadia.
You want to eat one, Gabriel?
Same time.
Hey, here.
Same
Hold on.
time.
I gotta get both of you doing it then.
Ready? On the count of 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
It is really salty.
It's not bad.
And it does taste like a sunflower seed.
You want one, Gabriel? There you go. Eat it. There you go.
My choked on it.
Gabriel, you ate one. That tastes nummy? Tastes like a potato chip?
It tastes like a sunflower seed.
Gabriel. Shona, eat its leg.
No, I'm glad I tried it.
Eat it. Eat it.
You eat the
What'd you think, Gabriel? Was that nummy?
That's disgusting.
Is that nummy? You want some more? You want another cricket?
I do. Oh my god. I eat it.
You ate the bug? Was it yummy? What did it taste like? Tell Daddy.
Tastes like shrimp.
Like shrimp?
Tastes like animal too.
Tastes
Tastes like animal too?
There's another one. Gabriel, you want another one? Want that last one?
You want this?
Okay.
How dare you, Gabriel? Daddy, don't even dare to eat another one again.
Is that good?
I'm not even
Daddy.
Okay.
Did you lock the
We tried it. I won't be having any more, but we tried it.
Daddy, did you lock the truck?
No.
Can I go get the other packs?
Sure. You guys gonna bring some to school?
Trouble for me carrying that.
For what? Bringing a snack to school?